Hello friend, welcome back to my lecture on Node.js. So today I am taking very interesting lecture on Node.js, and Node.js is very new technology, and today the lots of programmer and lots of web technologists are using this Node.js programming, and basically we are doing the programming in JavaScript, and JavaScript is used in client side. So, but today, as the evolve of this Node.js, so it is also used in server side. So Node.js, so we can say Node.js is a server side platform built on Google Chrome's JavaScript engine. So it is built by the Google Chrome's JavaScript engine. So it is also called V8 engine, and it is server side platform. So we can use JavaScript in client side as well as Node.js server side. Otherwise, we are using JavaScript in client side and JSP or Java servlet in server side. So by this Node.js, by the evolve by the use of this Node.js, we can use same software, JavaScript in client side and Node.js in server side. So we can use same software in both client as well as server side programming. So that is very interesting, and that is very useful software, and fast as well as reliable and fast software. So Node.js was developed by Ryan Dahl in 2009, and from 2009 it is used, and right now it is one of the popular programming language, one of the important web programming language for the server side programming. So Node.js is a runtime environment for executing JavaScript code. So this is runtime environment, we can say it. So we have been JS engine and machine, it convert Java JavaScript code into machine code. So this is the basic diagram of this JavaScript, and Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Chrome. So they are supporting this JavaScript engine, this JS engine. So V8 is using this one. So this is compatible with these browser, and this is very compatible by with these browser, Spider Monkey, V8, etc. So these are the advantage and properties of this Node.js. Node.js uses an event-driven programming. This is one of the benefit of Node.js. It is also used for the event-driven programming and non like blocking IO model, input output model. This is basically non-blocking IO model, and it is lightweight and efficient and perfect for the data intensive and real-time application. This is perfect for data intensive as well as database connectivity. It is perfect rather than other server-side programming. It is more suitable and more perfect programming framework. And real time, this is for very useful for the real time application, like chatting system. So like chatting and messaging, it is very useful. Node.js server side framework. So we can download this Node.js or install Node.js by using these two two options, and we can download it for Windows 64. So this is for 12.14.1 and 13.7 version, current version. So any one of these two versions we can download this Node.js, and you can see here after downloading this Node.js, after successful installation and downloading this Node.js, you can have this system32 command prompt under Windows. We have been this system for 32, and here we will write cmd.exe, and you can see here that we'll move on command prompt, and in command prompt you can see when you will type user slash me. So when you move on the me directory, when and there you will type node hyphen v, then it will display the version of Node.js. So 12.14.1 version of Node.js. So this is me directory. So you can see the version of this, and you can download for Windows 64 as well as Windows 32 version also. So you have to write here node and nodejs.org/en. So inside this nodejs.org you will download your Node.js software. So you have to go, you have to remember this side nodejs.org/en. You will move on en, and you can see here when you will type node, then it will display the help of node, different command of node. So it will display the version, welcome to node.js 12.14 v 12.14.1, this is the version, and type help for more information. So it will display the version of Node.js, and dot help will display the help regarding the different command. So this is the break command, clear command, editor command, exit, help, load, save. So these are the different command. So break command, sometimes you get stuck, this gets you out. So break means when we have to come out, then we will write here break command. Clear means allies for the break command. You can also write clear also. Editor will enter the editor of Node.js, and there you will write the program. And exit, from editor you have to come out, then you like to exit. And help command, print the help message. And load command, load JS from file into the REPL session. So by this load, we will load the program of Node.js. And save will save all evaluated command in the REPL session of the file. So this will save all the command. So press Ctrl C to abort the current session, and Ctrl D to exit REPL. So we can come out from this one. Ctrl C and Ctrl D are two commands. So this is the arrow, and from you can see here any directory. From any directory we can come out, and here also you can see here the node command. And console.log is the command which will print anything, any message, anything inside the double quotes. It will print hello MCA, so it will display the same message. So to print anything, like in Java we write system.out.println to print anything, to print any message. Same way in Node.js we have to write console.log. Console.log is the output statement. So this way we can display the output. So constant const means we are declaring the constant variable. So constant a equals to 0. So a equals to 10. It means a is a constant variable and its value is 10. And when we will print only a, we will write only a, then it will display the value of a. And where z equals to 20. So this is z is a variable. So by using the where statement, where keyword, we can declare the variable. So where z equals to 20. So and z plus equals to 30, means plus equals to is the assignment operator. So it means z equals to z plus 30. So previously z having 20, so 20 plus 30, it will display 50. So the commands of Java Node.js is same as the command of the JavaScript. It is just like a JavaScript Node.js, but we can run this Node.js on server platform. So basically we can say Node.js is not a programming language, it is a framework. Here also given about this, Node.js is not a programming language. Node is a runtime environment, so it is runtime environment for executing JavaScript code. So this is the clear difference I have given here. And you can see here how to write the function in for the Node.js. So to write the program in Node.js, we have to move first of all we have to move command form. So cmd.exe, then we will come here, me directory, then we'll write node, and it will display the directly we can write here node also, and we can write node here also. So it will display the welcome message. And suppose we have to mention, we have to write a function, then we'll write here simply we'll write the keyword function, and the name of function is msg, and name is the argument. And inside this we have started function by curly bracket, and it will be closed by the curly bracket. So we can write here different statement. So in this case we have written only one statement, console.log hello, and the name which we have passed as the argument, and plus the variable name. This is string and then variable name, and then again string. So So hello and the name which we have passed to argument, and then have a nice day. So suppose we have written here message and prince. So this prince string will pass to the name variable, and it will execute this function, and hello prince, then hello and the name which is in the argument. So it is prince, hello prince, have a nice day. It will display accordingly. So dot is it is inside the double quote, so it will be accordingly, it will display dot here. So this is the function, and we can write more functions here also in JavaScript. So this one is also a function, and we have mentioned here display function. So file, edit, selection, find, this is a different menu of Node.js. So when we will have to enter on the menu, so you can see here editor. By editor we can enter the editor of Java Node.js. So when we will enter, so you can see here the project.js. Project.js is the name of the file. So in project.js we'll write function name display. So inside this function we have one argument name, and we are writing here for loop for variable I equals to 0, I less than 5, and I plus plus. So the loop will run up to the 5 times, and 5 times it will display. Console.log will print the value like system.out.println console.log. And simply in JavaScript we write document.write to print anything. But in Node.js this is slightly different than JavaScript. So rather than writing document.write, we are writing here console.log, and we are printing here name. So whatever the argument we will pass, it will be printed by console.log and then name. And this loop will run 5 times, and 5 times it will display that particular name, and finally it will display this is the function display om. So function we have defined here, and we are running function here. So display om, so om will pass to name variable, and this name variable will be printed inside this for loop. So inside this for loop it will execute 5 times. So console.log will execute 5 times, and 5 times om will be displayed. So you can see the output. So 5 times node when we will execute the program, then we will write node and name of the file node project.js. So 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5 times it will print the value of as the value we are passing. So you can see here as we will run this program project.js, the extension of the JavaScript file, Node.js file will be the JS. So node project.js, and then you can see this will run, project.js will run, and it will start by this statement, not by this statement. Display function will display om, will write here display om, and will execute this. So the program will be executed by this, and om will be passed to the name, and it will run 5 times. So 5 times it will be displayed. So this is the output of Node.js. So I think this is very interesting, and this is very interesting software. So I hope you understand Node.js. If you already know the JavaScript, then it is very easy to understand the Node.js. And in coming classes, I will discuss about how to write program using while loop and array, and how to write class and object. So I will discuss about all these aspects in the next lecture. So guys, thank you very much. Thanks again.